Alright, so I tried to start my motorcycle. It's a gorgeous 51-degree day, March 1st. Not quite spring yet, but I'm itching to ride, so I wanted to start my bike, but of course, dead battery. I did not put it on the trickle charger over the winter, and I thought it would be fine. But I got this thing called WolfBox. My husband bought it for me for Christmas. Actually for my birthday, I think. So I'm gonna show you how to take the cover off. There's the battery right here. And this is a 2008 Harley Davidson Nightster XL. And so you gotta take the covers off. So let's start with this. Turn it on. Make sure it's charged. It's currently at 99%. And then you take these. The red goes on positive. It shows you positive right there. Get the rubber out of the way. Put it on there. And then you got to hook the negative up to, should be the negative side of the battery, but I'm not taking this entire battery out because it's a royal pain in the butt. So you just stick it on. You can find something else. I think that one right there will be good. All right. Then you plug this end into the charger, and they give you the shortest cord possible, so you got to have it on something, or it unplugs. You just plug it in, and then you start the bike.